G'day and welcome to episode 3 of my V-Strom Makeover. My headlight has finally turned up, so we'll be getting that fitted today, put the blinkers back on and get the bike rideable. And hopefully we'll get a test ride in, which I'm really looking forward to. So while I've been waiting for the headlight to come, I got a couple of little jobs done. I've put the high guard back on. I tidied up my speedo mount and I fitted a charger, USB and cigarette lighter charger. And I also tidied up my speedo sensor bracket. So all the wiring's done for the speedo, and this is all for the headlight and blinkers. Alrighty, let's open this up and have a look. I only went with a basic single headlight. There's lots of flash looking LED ones, but I thought I'll just get a basic one to start with, and if I like the look I'm going to upgrade, I can fit a LED one later. Here's the bill, we don't need to see that. Rightio. First box, what have we got? I bought all this gear through Third Gear. They're over in Tullamarine. It's only 40 minutes away. They posted it the next day, but Australia Post decided to hang on to it for a while. So it took almost 2 weeks to get here. Oh, they're quite nice. So that opens up. The mount will go in that side, I would imagine. They just fit around there like that. They are pretty. Okay, so that'll go in between the two. And the beauty is you can swivel that around to get your width right. So these look like they've been anodised and then afterwards chamfered, so it puts on that nice shiny edge. And it's got a hole there for the blinker. Here is the headlight itself. Oh dear. Oh, I like that a lot. That's oh yeah, the bolts are in, cool. That's in a flat black. I really like that. Oh, cool. So they'll just plug into your existing wiring if you're putting this on any other bike. I've got that connector on there, should plug straight in. Awesome. Nice. Alright, yeah, it's a good start. I just got to tidy up the wiring. So the last couple of days I've been mucking around trying to get this headlight in the right spot. I wanted to get it higher. Well, I was having problems with the gap in here because the headlight was in too close. So what determines that is these brackets. Yeah, the headlight was in too close. To set these brackets to the right width for your light, you have to swivel the clamps around, and as you swivel the clamp around to get the width right, it gets further and further in. So I put in some spacers to make the headlight wider, which meant I could swivel it around a bit more and get it out. That meant I could get the headlight up. Rightio, time to take this for a test run. Righto, just out on a test ride. It feels great to be out. The weather's looking questionable. We're still in lockdown. We're only allowed 15 kilometres from home at the moment, but it's enough to get out onto some nice windy roads for me. Give this bike a test. My initial reaction to the bike is it just feels amazing. It just feels so much lighter. The steering feels quicker. It soaks up bumps much better. I haven't touched the suspension at all. Haven't even adjusted the preload. It just feels great. There's something I noticed. If I let go, the bike just sits beautifully. Before, if I let go like that, I was hanging off the ride to try and keep it straight. I don't know what that's about. I don't know if the weight was a bit uneven. I'll do it on this hill. It feels more responsive, and that's definitely a weight thing. So that's it for episode 3. Thanks a lot for watching. Thanks for all the great feedback I've been getting. It's much appreciated. It could be a while until the next episode. I think for now I'm just going to tidy up the front end. My wiring's not as tidy as it could have been, so I'm going to concentrate on tidying that up. There's a few bits and pieces that need painting, so nothing exciting to watch in a video. And once all that's done, I'll start on that back end. We'll see if we can lose another 10 kilos off the rear. I know big asses is trendy these days, but I'd like to lose a bit off there if I can. I think the test ride went well. Nothing seems to have moved. The headlight's still there, guard's still there. Everything seems to still work. It hasn't exploded in a big ball of flames. There's no smoke coming from anywhere. No speedo seems to be working still, so I'm going to call that a success. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.